Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the different menus in the Google Vids edit page. So once you've got a video file open and you want to edit it, you're going to be on this edit page and you're going to notice, just like pretty much all Google Docs, you have all these menus at the top. Most of the menu names will look familiar if you're familiar with a lot of the Google Docs. This is kind of a special tool though, so there is going to be some stuff in here that is new and really will only apply to the Google Vids app. So you're going to have your file menu, you'll be able to open new videos, make copies, download, that kind of stuff. This is a video creation app, so you'll be able to download as MP4 and export it to Drive, but these are going to export video files. You have the edit menu. Very typical stuff here. You're going to be able to insert a lot of different content into these scenes, so being able to edit stuff will look very similar to other Google apps. Your view file, some special stuff, show timing, closed captions, show scripts, and so on. Canvas zoom, timeline zoom, those are all sort of specific to this app. Insert different things. A lot of different things you can insert here. Your own media, you can upload from a computer, you can use stock media. Google Vids gives you access to a ton of different stock media. You've got your format menu. This is really going to be specific to having something, some content, an object or something that you've put on the scene. And then you have to select that and you can format it whichever way you want. Different ways to control the scene. Do you want to add a new scene, apply a template, split the scene at playhead? Arrange different objects. Again, you're going to have different objects on your scene in order to do this. Tools and help. And those are the menus. I'm going to make videos for each of these different menus later that will go in more detail as to what they include and what each of those options allows you to do. But that's a brief introduction to the different menus on the edit page of Google Vids. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.